It literally is one bolt. It's not even a bolt, it's literally a clamp. You take it off, swap the filter, clamp it back in, and you're good to go. I'm gonna do a few little things, maintenance things. I've got these AC knobs as well. I'm gonna show you guys what those look like now versus the brand new ones. And I'm gonna swap those out, and I'm gonna do some of the dome lights as well, just to kind of do a little preventative maintenance and like just some extra little accents and little things that I can be doing to this car right now, just kind of make it a little bit better driving, better looking, etc. So what we're gonna do is take this clamp off. I use my new Milwaukee tools. Even though I can do this by hand, this is 3 seconds, not even 3 seconds. That was literally less than 3 seconds. That was like 1 second. Let's take this off. There's the old dirty filter by a brand that is very crappy, not a very good filter. See how dirty it is, and it just isn't a great filter. So I'm gonna get rid of it and swap with a better filter. There's the new KN one. It just looks way better. It's gonna perform way better, and it's an oilless one, so we should be good. So these are the AC knobs that I was talking about that I'm gonna replace. They just look like crap. So in order to get these out, I'm just gonna put this in here and just kind of pop them out. Pops out pretty easily. Yep, there you go. Doesn't damage anything, just comes out, pops right out. All you literally have to do is pop these right back in. So this was all the way to the left. There you go. Those look so much better. So much better. There you go. And then these dome lights are red. So I'm actually going to replace them with white ones. In order to get these, you basically get something sharp or thin and flat. Pry right there and pry right there. This whole thing comes off and you're able to get to it. So I've got this little garage door opener. Took the back of it off and just literally did this. Super easy. And then all you gotta do is pull it off now. And those two are the lights. And all you have to do is pop it out and put the new one in. I'm gonna pop both of these out, and we're gonna grab the new LEDs. These are the bulbs. I got them on Amazon. They were like 10 bucks for this whole entire pack, and you're only using 2 of them, so I got 4 extras just in case they ever blow. And yeah, they're super easy to replace. Basically, you just have to make sure they're on. Oh. I got 3 left extras. Make sure it's the right polarity, and put it in. Let's turn it off. That one's right there. So again, on, make sure it's the right polarity, push in, and turn off. And that's it. That's essentially all you've got to do. I'm gonna angle it a little bit this way. So that one has got a little bit of a power draw. It's very, very little electricity going to that one. I'll turn it off. Door, and turn it. Okay, so I'm assuming that middle is door, but we'll see. So this pops on really quickly, easily as well. Put it that way, and then pop it until it clicks in. Yep. There you go, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just basically did little small maintenance this time just because it needs little stuff like this. It needed these lights, it needed an intake filter, etc. Nothing too major. I enjoyed driving this car, but I wanted to take care of it as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned a few things, and just enjoy the car as I'm enjoying the car. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.